Hear the thunder in the distance. The King has awakened. Golden fire in his eyes, burning brighter than the skies. Every step shakes the ground, like the storm is coming down. From the mountains to the sea, every soul can feel the beat. Ancient spirits walk beside him, guarding every destiny. When the night becomes colder and fear lives in the shadows, the earth begins trembling, the heavens open wide. When the lion roars, the whole world listens. Every heart beats louder, every soul awakens. When the lion roars, no fear survives. Hope rises from the ashes, and the kingdom comes alive. Children singing through the rain, calling out the ancient names. Warriors standing side by side, like the river strong with pride. Every scar becomes a story,